In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a vertical line in Google Docs using the built-in drawing tool. Let's jump right in and work through this simple yet very useful trick that can enhance the layout of your documents. To begin, make sure you have your Google Docs document open and ready. Now take a look at the top menu bar. You'll want to click on Insert. This is where you can add various elements to your document, from images and charts to tables. In our case, we're interested in the drawing option. Hover over Drawing and a submenu will appear. Select New from this submenu to open up a fresh drawing panel. This panel is a versatile feature in Google Docs that allows you to create illustrations directly within your document. Now that the drawing panel is open, you'll see several toolbar options at the top. Look for the icon that resembles a small diagonal line. This is the Line tool, and it's what we'll use to create our vertical line. Click on the Line tool to activate it. With the tool selected, you can now draw your line. Click and hold anywhere in the drawing area, and while holding down your mouse, drag vertically. The line you draw will be placed onto the canvas. You can easily adjust the length by dragging up or down, depending on where you started. Once you've drawn the line, you may want to adjust its style to better fit your document's aesthetics. At the top of the drawing panel, you'll find options to change the thickness, color, and style of your line. Just click on the options and customize the line to your liking. You could make it a thin, subtle line for a light touch or a thicker, bold line to stand out as a divider. You also have the freedom to choose from a variety of colors to complement your document's theme. Once you're satisfied with the appearance of your line, the final step is to add it to your document. Simply click on Save and Close at the top right of the drawing panel. Instantly, your vertical line will appear right inside your Google Doc, exactly where you left your cursor before opening the drawing panel. If you make any mistakes or want to reposition your line, don't worry, you can edit and move it easily by clicking on it in your document. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a vertical line to your Google Doc, enhancing both its functionality and design. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about making the most of Google Docs and other handy tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more content on our channel. We have plenty more insights to share, aimed at helping you work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching.